Welcome to my kitchen. I'm Sensei Vegan. Thank you so much for joining me today. Yeah, we about to throw it down. What is on the menu this evening is a blueberry milkshake. We're making blueberry milkshake. That is what's on the menu. Now let's get with these ingredients. Walk right over here. Okay? This is going to be quick. This is going to be very simple. It's going to be tasty. So here we go. First things first. Going to need some ice cream, some vanilla ice cream. My ice cream of choice is So Delicious, very vanilla, cashew milk, ice creamy cream. That's what I'm rolling with. I'm not sponsored by So Delicious, but they make a great product, so I'm going to use it. Use what you want to use. I'm going to use what I want to use, okay? You're going to need some blueberries. Now, if you don't like blueberries, what do you want me to do? This is all I have, okay? So I'm using blueberries. If you want to use strawberries, use strawberries. If you want to use a berry mix, use a berry mix. But I said we're going to make a blueberry milkshake. So, Sensei says use blueberries, use some effing blueberries. That's what we have. Now, 1 lemon. We're going to use half of this lemon. Why I'm using the lemon? This is the secret ingredient. Sometimes blueberries, they're flat. They have a flat taste to them. So what do? You add a little bit of lemon just to, boom, just to give it a little bit of zip. All right? Of course, an ice cream scoop. If you don't have that, that's fine. Use a spoon, use your hand, use a fork. I don't care what you use. Just use something to get the container, get the ice cream out the container. And you're going to need a large cup or glass, but this is my chalice of choice right here. Okay? So, let's get to rocking and rolling. Hope everyone had a great day. It's a little bit late too. It's darn near almost 10:15. That's all right. I'm off. I don't have to work. I have like the next 10 days off. So, dang, this knife is dull. Oh my goodness. Let me get another knife. I can see I haven't used that one in a long time. Okay, so set that over here. And first thing, let's get the, I'm going to use some coconut milk. Now, you can use cashew milk, but all I have is coconut milk. So that's what I'm using. Again, this is some So Delicious coconut milk. Okay, almost forgot that. Can't make a milkshake without no milk. All right, so let's get this ice cream in. I'm going to use this whole container and just start scooping it in, just like that. Now the trick to this, be careful how much milk you add to it, because you don't want I don't like my shakes too thick, but I don't want it too runny. That's the point. You gotta find that balance. Okay? So we got that in there. Throw that off to the side. Throw some blueberries in here. That's blueberry right there. I might add a little bit too much, but hey, it's all right. And we're going to add a little bit of this lemon. Trying to get the seeds out. Just a touch, not too much, of the lemon. Okay? Alright? Use a strainer. Don't be like me. I had a couple seeds fall down in there. Alright, now we have to balance out the milk. That's simple. Always tell people, leave your blender unplugged until you're ready to use it. You don't want any extra ingredients inside your blender, all right? Inside your beverage. If we have to add more milk, we can. But I think we have enough for right now. Hey DJ, it's a little quiet in here. Can I get some blending music, please? Baby, that is it. That quick, that simple. A quick blueberry milkshake. What gets better than a milkshake? Nothing. So, for all y'all that don't know, you better ask somebody. But for all you rookies and new jacks, it's taste test time. Taste test time. Taste test time. Taste test time. It's taste test time, baby. Let's rock and roll. I know my neighbors are probably going crazy, but so what? Let's roll, baby. Okay, here we go. Okay, consistency is good. Here we go. All about that long pour, baby. Woo, splashing it, dashing it. If you ain't making a mess, then you ain't cooking, baby. Okay, here we go. Woo! Delicious! Kid you not. And the thing is too, with this, the lemon just adds that touch of, like if someone was to drink it, they'd be like, wait, there's something in here, there's something in here. It's that little bit of that lemon, that fresh lemon juice that sends this over the freaking top, man. So there you have it, everybody. A quick blueberry milkshake. So simple, so quick, made by yours truly, Sensei Vegan. Sub to the channel, man. Sub to the channel. Push the button. I'm not going to push the button right now. Push it. Yeah, that one right there. That, yep. Turn on the bell notifications. There we go. What? Yeah. Okay, there we go. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Again, I want to thank each and every one of y'all for joining me. Sensei Vegan. Just going to Blueberry Town on this thing. Hello. Good night. And sub to the channel.